How to log in into Commercial Bank of Qatar. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to log in into Commercial Bank of Qatar. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, make sure that you have downloaded and installed CBQ mobile application and tap open button to access Commercial Bank of Qatar app. Now choose your preferred language and select submit. You will reach on the official interface of Commercial Bank of Qatar where you need to tap on login to sign in to your account. You will reach on this login section where you have to follow the step 2 or step given on the portal where you have to enter the username and password on the first step, and on the second step you simply need to enter the given prompts on the screens. Once you have entered all the credentials, tap on the login button and follow all the steps, and with that, you will successfully log into Commercial Bank of Qatar account online. So I hope this guide worked, and if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.